All ArchiCAD modeling tools have a label function. It allows you to assign a label to each individually placed instance of a modeled element. The label is directly linked to the properties of the element, allowing you the potential to display all sorts of specific information. For example, in the Swift wall label, you can reference the ID, as you've just seen, the composite name, the top of wall, or a manual tag. The top of wall option was specifically requested by a client. There are also many other attributes of the wall that can be referenced in this label if requested. Cleverly exploiting this function can save you many hours of work. For instance, if I wanted to put RL markers over all of these slabs that I've randomly set up, I simply select all the slabs, select label, nominate the Swift slab label, click OK. And as you can see, I have accurate RLs on all my slabs. And if I adjust the height of one of these slabs, the label automatically updates. So not only will this function save you many hours of work, it will also ensure your documentation is 100% accurate. At Cadswift we have created auto labels for each element type to exploit the full potential of this function. There are a few common functions across all the Swift labels. Firstly, you can have up to 8 instances of each label. What this means is that you can place separate instances of the label in different rooms for a slab that covers several rooms. And you can use the hotspots on screen to manually adjust the positioning. You also have 2D representation controls to control font types and sizes and all the pens and fills. You also have code representation to control the shape of the codes. If I change this back to 1 so we can see it, you can nominate the ellipse codes, circle or rectangle, and obviously control font settings, size settings and pen settings. The primary function of the slab label that we have selected is the height label. It also contains 2 code labels. All of these elements can be toggled on and off. The height label reads the level at the top of the slab relevant to project 0 and includes a manual prefix. The first of the code labels can reference the composite name or the slab ID. The second code is a manual code which can be used in any way desired, and you also have the option to nominate between a vertical or horizontal orientation. If you would like to have an auto label created to source specific information, simply contact us through the website.